Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step that how you can change the name on Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. The first thing you need to do is to open your Facebook application, then tap on your profile. From here, you need to tap on setting and privacy, and this menu will open up, and then you need to tap on settings. So once you tap on settings, then you need to tap on account center. From here, you need to tap on your profile. Then you need to select the profile, the one that you need to change your name. If you have multiple profile, then you need to tap on name. So from here you can select your first name and surname and then change your name. But as you can see, I already changed my name within the last 60 days, so I cannot change it anymore. So if you do so, you will need to wait for 60 days, but all you can do is to change the order of the name. You can change the surname to first name and vice versa. So you can do like that. But if you did not change it in the last 60 days, so you can actually change your Facebook name here. So guys, this is all it takes to change name on Facebook. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.